Yugioh! Okay, this is episode 349, part 1, versus Rocks, Adamantipator, and Prank Kids. Oh god. Well, it looks like he went first. Guardian, Researcher, Researcher's Effect, Crystal Dragite, gets to draw because it was special summoned by an Adamantipator card. Risen Raptite Effect, Excavate, Rocks, special summon it, level 4 or lower, right? No, it's just Rocks. Yeah, it's a level 4 or lower if it's a norm or a effect monster, not an extra deck monster. Analyzer, Proxies, Meow Meow, Proxies, Dropsies. Doodle, Dropsies, Special Summon Roxy's, Overlay for Granite's effect, add Seeker, Special effect, Excavate, Special Summon Quakimaru, Supplier. What does this guy do again? Add one. It's gonna add a Quakimaru Guardian. Those two for Verte. Boral Sword. Oh, I'm looking at the screen over here. Shit. Like looking up all the time. Fuck, stupid. Look at the camera. And then I went for an Abyss Dweller. Verte. Dragoon. He's it's a pretty good board right here. And he's gonna Dweller. And then whatever I did here, I just got negated. Diviner, and Perm. Cyber Emergency, Ash. Didn't even use the Oral Sword or Dragoon negate. Alpha Benton. It went through. Verte, try to go for the Dragoon and he Dragooned me. God damn it. And then just went for the kill. Oh, Dragoon, and then Savage direct attack. It's part 1. I think I must have won part 2. Part 2, here we go. Looking at the camera, not the TV this time. Camera. Right here. Part 2. Dude. Nova. Alpha. And Karibo. Alpha. Delta. Alpha. Effect, Benton. I get trolled here. God damn it. Delta. Tribute Natasha. Maybe on DRYTRON for Natasha. Delta. Natasha, target, gain half life points of its attack. 80 on DRYTRON, decrease attack by 1000, add back from grave. And then I went for a birthday here. Birthday, copy red ice fusion, pay 2000. Fusion summon Dragoon, Guacameru Guardian, and then he's gonna Researcher. I'm gonna negate discard, but this guy can negate right here. Look effect when I'm off. Tribute discard, negate the activation, and destroy it. Wow, I didn't read that one. Dragoon is protected. Can't be destroyed by card effects. Researcher's effect. Seeker, special. What is that? Researcher's effect, okay. Seeker's effect, okay. Crystal Dragite effect, draw card. For Meow Meow, Roxy's, Dropsies, Arclight, Raptite effect, special summon, Supplier's effect, add, Guardian. For Granite, add Supplier. Those two for Verte, summons Supplier, Verte, pay 2000, copy red ice fusion. Verte is gonna make one of these guys into a dark, but then Dragoon discarded Ash, negate, destroy, gain 1000. Oh, and then it's gonna pop. Dragoon pop and burn, battle, runs over the Dragoon, direct with Granite. I thought it was over here, but no, I win this one somehow. What happened? Oh, I think it was, oh, Alpha Benton. And he's gonna negate it, discarding Guardian, but I lit him up with the orange. Negate, but cannot be destroyed. Okay, then I get the I to 10. What's that? Oh, Benton. I get trolled. What? Okay. What was that? Okay. Fafnir, Dump Gamma. What was that? Natasha. Tribute to Cyber Angel. Special. Target and take control. Natasha. Target gain life points to half of its attack. DRYTRON, Benton. Benton using Fafnir, detach. Gamma. Tribute Natasha, special summon Alpha. Those two for an IP. And then I banish another Cyber Angel. Get Natasha, take his monster. Didn't use Natasha's effect yet. Those three for Boral Sword. Then I used Natasha's effect. Gain half of Boral Sword's attack. Battle Boral Sword attack, activate effect. Cut its attack in half. Gain the half attack. Killed Dragoon. And I wanted to finish him off with Boral Sword, so I switched his monster to defense and then Boral Sword. finish. Oh, he actually surrendered. Alright. This is game 3. Round 3. Where's the replay? Come on. Dude! I think he went first here. I thought it was good with the droplet or dark ruler, but no. Normal, special, effect, special, effect, add, droll and lockbird since you added. Those 2 for a reptite, supplier, special, reptite, special, seeker, effect, special. Oh, went for Hockey Fibrax, seeker, Doki Doki, discard, analyzer, for analyzer. Those 2 for an arc light, analyzer's effect, Doki Doki. Those 2 for a Verte. Those 2 for the Abyss Dweller. Verte's effect. Dragoon. And this turn. He shotguns Dweller. Thought I had something here. Went for a Dark Ruler. Okay. Then I went for emergency, but he had Ash. God dang it. Nova. Alpha. And then I wanted to kill Dragoon. So I droplet, discarding Dark Magician. Choosing Dragoon. Got its attack. Attack. He takes nothing because of Dark Ruler. And then linked it off for Linkuriboh because Nova says whatever I summon dies at the end phase. And I think it was over from here. Normal, effect, special, effect. Those 3 for Apollosa. Seeker, Dragite. Dragite will draw. Dragite. Risen Dragite. Adamant Better Signs. Analyzer. Roxy's. Savage. Effect, equip, battle. It's gonna attack. I'm gonna Linkuriboh. It'll negate it with Savage. Roxy's direct, Savage direct, and then Adamant's Better Risen Dragite. Finish him. Wow. Can't get a win right now. God dang it. Check out the rank. We were at 1494. Right now we are at, come on, 1495, 176, 176. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.